We will use Create React Native App, CRNA in short, to, guess what, create our first React Native application. CRNA is a tool that makes it really easy to get started with React Native. I know that a lot of you struggle with installation and configuration of all the React Native dependencies. With CRNA, you don't need Xcode or Android Studio to run your app on a smartphone. You can even develop an iOS app on Windows and run it directly on your iPhone. Let me show you exactly how to do it. So let's get your feet wet and write our first mobile app. To make it interesting, we will implement SpaceX Mission Control app. Let's jump straight to the terminal. To create an app, we use Create React Native App command and provide our application name as a parameter. Now the app is being created. This might take a couple of minutes, so let's just rewind. Okay, it seems that everything is fine and the application is created. So let's change the directory to SpaceX app and run the app with yarn start command. It may take a moment to start the packager, so let's prepare our iPhone for running the app. Create React Native app is based on Expo. Expo is a set of tools that make it really easy to develop mobile applications with React Native. On the right, you can see my iPhone screen mirrored. So let's install Expo client on it. I search for Expo in the App Store. You can find it also on Android on Google Play Store with the same name. Yeah, I've got already Expo client installed, so I can open it directly from here, and you can see that as a result of running yarn start, we've got a QR code printed in our terminal window. So let's scan it from the Expo client. Now you can see preview of my iPhone camera. I pointed to the QR code and the app is loading. Yep, so here it goes. We have just created our first app and run it inside an iPhone. So well done.